Hi viewers, today we will see unboxing of Bose QuiteComfort 35 Series 2. So we have got it today only. We ordered it yesterday night at around 9 p.m. and I received it at 12, so quite a fast service from Amazon. So this is the package. So what we find inside is this is a pouch containing the headset. And other than that, there's some manual. Yeah, there's nothing else. So we'll keep this aside. We'll keep the manual here. And let's see what's inside this. Okay. So here is a 3.5 mm connector. This is in addition to the Bluetooth connectivity, so if you want to connect directly to your system, you can use this. Then let's see what is inside this. There's a USB charger, so we'll keep it here. So these you can keep, there's a pocket here. You can keep all your equipments, your wires over there, and you have the packaging which we can remove. Oh, it's already on. So here's a diagram which shows how to keep the headphone. So this is the Series 2 of QuiteComfort 35. The only addition to the Series 1 is this switch, which is actually for your Amazon Alexa and Google Assist. You have the Bluetooth connectivity. There's a mic, volume up and down button, and this is a port for charging. So we need a Bose Connect app to start with the setup. So it says ready to connect. So we need to just, not now, we need to just pull it down. It just says connecting. We'll have to wait for a minute. It says QC 35.2. It says the accessory this uses the app you don't have installed. So we'll go to the App Store and install the app. It requires Amazon Alexa as well as Google Assist. Something wrong with my Wi-Fi? Yeah. So we'll wait for these two apps to get installed. So we have chosen the language as English. It says nickname it, surprise me, Mr. Dynamite. Okay, so it has got inbuilt Google Assistant and Alexa, so we can ask about anything. It's like, what's the weather? Alexa, what's the weather? So right now it's not set up, so we need to go and set up Alexa. I think it's downloaded by now. So now we are back. The app has been updated with the latest version. We'll connect to the headset. Yeah, it's connected. So here we can see the name we had set, the connections. It's connected to my iPhone. You can take a product to noise cancellation. There are three options, either it's high, low or off. So you can choose any one of them. And for action button, which is the button which is here, you can choose what can be done. It can be set to either switch off or switch on the noise cancellation. So you can see there's no noise cancellation button out here. Earlier there used to be a button for noise cancellation, or you can choose the action to be to wake up Alexa or Google Assistant. So I've kept at Google Assistant. And the standby timer, because there's no switch off or switch on button, so you can put the timer that after 5 minutes or 20 minutes or whatever, this will be switched off. Now we can go to Alexa. So set up Alexa on your Mr. Dynamite. So this will override the current voice assistant, that is Google Assistant. Now setup is complete. So whenever I press this button, it will wake up Alexa and I can ask any question. So this is Bose QC 35, an awesome piece of headset. Thank you for watching and happy hearing.